Have you ever wondered how India is strengthening its defense capabilities? Today, we're delving into the story of the AK-203 production, a pivotal chapter in India's defense narrative. In the heart of India, the Korwa Ordnance Factory was buzzing with anticipation. The year was 2018 when the factory was primed for a grand endeavor, the production of Kalashnikov AK-203 assault rifles. A joint venture named Indo-Russian Rifles Private Limited was born, a collaboration involving Russia's Rosoboronexport and Kalashnikov concern. Output: as the calendar turned to 2019, the wheels were set in motion. The factory was no longer just a building, it was a testament to India's growing defense prowess. The goal was clear: achieving 100% localization in India and fostering future advancements in rifle manufacturing. By the end of 2020, the Korwa Ordnance Factory was ready. The AK-203 rifles, with integral Picatinny rails, a folding stock and ergonomic enhancements, were about to be manufactured while maintaining the traditional AK pattern's reliability and durability. Rosoboronexport, meanwhile, had its sights set on the future. The company planned to supply AK-203 rifles to Indian armed forces and law enforcement agencies, even offering modern equipment for customization and personnel. And so the AK-203 production story unfolded. It was more than just a tale of manufacturing rifles. It was a narrative of a nation bolstering its defense capabilities, of a factory playing a crucial role in this endeavor, and of a joint venture fostering a robust defense partnership. Output: in summary, the AK-203 production in India marked a significant milestone in the country's defense narrative. From the establishment of the Indo-Russian Rifles Private Limited in 2018 to the commencement of AK-203 production by the end of 2020, each step signified India's commitment to strengthening its defense capabilities. This endeavor not only provided a boost to the local manufacturing sector, but also paved the way for future advancements in rifle production. The story of the AK-203 is a testament to India's growing defense prowess, and we've only just scratched the surface. Stay tuned for more exciting stories from the world of defense and technology. Thank you for joining us on this journey.